Chapter
23 Nature and Earth. We live on planet Earth. Earth is like a ball, but it is flat on top. Globe is a smaller model of Earth. The globe has two main colors. The blue part is the water present on Earth. It is in the form of oceans, rivers, seas, ponds and lakes. The green part is the land. We live on land. Earth has more of water and less of land. Land on Earth is in the form of mountains, hills, plains, deserts, valleys and snowlands. Let us find out more about them. The highlands with pointed top are the mountains. The smaller mountains are called hills. When snow on mountains melt, it turns to water and forms waterfall and rivers. The river flows down to the flatland. These flatlands are called plains. There are some places on Earth that have natural pits filled with water. These are called lakes. Smaller lakes are called ponds. There are some places on Earth that have no river or rainfall. These are called deserts. The land always covered with snow is called snowland. It is a very cold place.